Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your Canon PIXMA MX439 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer or laptop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MX439 support. So go ahead and search that in Google. One of the best matches should be Canon support for PIXMA MX439. Go ahead and open that up and just give that a moment. And then once you're on this page here, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then scrolling down again underneath the third category here, select the My Printer file and select download. Give that a moment to begin, and then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file. It should be from a verified signed publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and then you can close out of the web browser and proceed to install this application. Make sure you select the correct country and region, and then accepting the end user license agreement. If you want to change the destination folder, you can, but I usually just keep it at default. And then if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can. I'm just going to select continue. So if you happen to open up that shortcut, you can access additional printer settings. If you select diagnose and repair printer, you can go ahead and try and troubleshoot issues you may have with connecting your printer to your computer. But that should be pretty self-explanatory how you would walk through those steps. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.